Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on 4 different ways in which you can style this particular crochet wig. So guys, if you want to see the 4 different ways in which you can style this particular crochet wig, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Guys, already I got my hair cornrowed, okay, and I left out some here. You can also check out my video on how to cornrow your hair, okay. Now this is the wig that I made, the crochet wig that I made. I did a video on it and it's up now. Make sure you check it out as well. In the tutorial I showed you guys how to make the front to look natural, okay guys, and the place in which we try to make to look more natural, we crocheted together. So guys, we are going to keep that place at the front part of the wig, okay. Now we are going to put on the crochet wig, okay. So guys, now that the crochet wig is on, so guys, I'm going to show you guys the different ways in which we can style this and wear this crochet wig, okay. So guys, right now the first way in which you can wear it, okay, is by just putting it on, okay, and so guys, this is just very simple and easy. You have your hair cornrowed, okay guys, and then when you put on the wig, so guys, remove some of the crochet braids at the front and then take it backwards, okay guys. So guys, this is just it, okay, and then try to style as you wish. So guys, the second way in which you can style this crochet wig is by side parting it to the right, okay. So guys, we just need to, while keeping it there, okay, we just need to try to side part it. Take some of the braids to the right and take some to the left, okay guys. This is just basically it, okay. Then you just need to dress or try to make the wig look perfect, okay. So guys, this is the second way in which we can style this crochet wig, okay guys. And the third way in which we can style this same crochet wig is by side parting it to the left, okay. So guys, I'm just going to cover up there and then try to side part it to the left. So guys, you just need to try to make the hair look more nice, okay. And so guys, this is the third way in which we can style this particular crochet. So guys, the next way in which we can style this crochet wig is by turning it into a bang, okay. Just watch out. Make sure you cover up your hair, okay. And so guys, you can as well cut it into a bang if you want, but in case you're not ready to cut it into a bang yet, okay, what you're going to do is, bring out some crochet braid at the front of your hair, okay, fold it, okay, then fold it just like this, okay, using a bobby pin, Using a bobby pin, you're going to pin it down, okay? Just pin down the crochet braid in front of your hair. So guys, just using more bobby pin, okay? Try to lay it properly. Try to lay the bank properly, okay? And then dress the rest or the whole part of the hair well. So guys, this is basically how to turn it into a bang. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Check out my video on how I made this crochet wig. Check out this Valentine makeup look. Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. Bye bye.